Welcome to this new tutorial. To wrap up the reports section, today we'll take a look at client reports, where you can review each client's information and the balances associated with them inside Axis Pro. We go to the Reports section and then scroll to the bottom, where we select the Client Report option. There you'll see a panel with the complete information of your clients, including their details, total invoiced amount, and outstanding balance. In the top right corner, you'll find two buttons to export the report in PDF or CSV format. When you click one of them, the file is downloaded instantly and is ready for you to review, save wherever you prefer, or share as needed. And with that, you now know how to view and export client reports in Axis Pro. From here, you can review all your client information and download well-organized reports to keep better control of your billing. See you in the next tutorial.